Welcome back. This is lesson number 2 online with us. We are going to get going just like we would in class. We are going to start with our review. So we're going to start with our open string symphony. Go ahead and get on your A string. Ready?
1, 2, 3, 4.
Good job. Nice practice. Let's move straight on to our open escalator tour. All right, remember we start on the E string for those who have E strings. Ready?
Open escalator tour. 1, 2, ready, go.
A string. D string. G string. C string. Very good. All right. Let's go ahead and move on to our open escalator, reviewing those notes that we have learned on the D and A string. All right. So let's start with our D string. Make sure you have out your worksheet, your paper, so that you can look at them as we do it. If you need to, pause this. Go ahead. All right, so we're going to start on our D string. We're just reviewing, so go ahead and say it with me at a slow pace. And we're going to go about 1, 2, ready? Say it with me. D, E, F sharp, G. Let's go a little faster. So 1, 2, ready, go. D, E, F sharp, G. All right. See if you can go a little faster. 1, 2, ready, go. D, E, F sharp, G. Excellent. All right, let's move on to our A string. Okay. Same slow speed. Ready? 1, 2, ready, go. A, B, C, C sharp, D. Okay, we're a little faster. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. A, B, C, C sharp, D. A little faster. 1, 2, 3, 4. A, B, C, C sharp, D. Nice job. All right, let's go ahead and go straight to our string basics. We are on number 53. Now, the really exciting thing about 53 is its name. What is that name?
D major scale.
D major scale. I'm sure that if some of you are familiar with music, you've probably heard someone say a scale or D major or G major or F major. And what we're talking about when we talk about that is key signature. A key signature is what is written right next to your clef. Does everybody remember what their clef is? If you look at your music, it's the first thing written on the staff, your clef. So for violins, what kind of clef do you have?
Treble.
Treble. For violas, we have the awesome alto clef. For cellos?
Bass.
Bass?
We have the bass clef.
Wow, you guys are really lucky. You get bass. So, right next to your staff clef is where we look for our key signature. Now, when we're looking there, we're looking for things like sharps or flats or nothing at all. Okay, so what does a sharp look like?
Looks like a hashtag.
Looks like a hashtag. I know most of you know what a hashtag is. If you don't, go talk to your parents. It also looks like a number line, number symbol.
Like just two lines next to each other.
Yeah. So that's what a sharp looks like. What's a flat look like?
A lowercase b fancy.
Yeah, a fancy lowercase b. All right. Bless you. A fancy lowercase b. So if there's another one that we do not use in key signatures that you'll see in your music, and we'll go over that at another time. But in key signatures, you'll either see sharps, flats, or nothing at all. Okay? So that will be right between your clef and the numbers, the time signature. That's what those numbers are. So, or the big C.
For common time.
Yeah, C means common time, which most of the time you'll see it say 4/4. But in this key signature, can anybody tell me what they see?
F sharp and C sharp.
So we see sharps. There's no flats written there, there's sharps. How many? Two. Now, when we're trying to identify why we have those sharps, the sharps tell us in this music what that note is to be played like. So if you don't have anything written, if you don't have any sharps or flats written in it, it's going to just be A, B, C, D, E, F, G. Okay? There's no sharps or flats written in. But if you have sharps in your key signature, it means that some of the notes are going to be sharp. How do we know which notes? Well, you have to look right in the middle of your sharp. So that square in the middle. And wherever that square in the middle lands, that is the note that is sharp. So our first one is actually on a line for our treble clef. For our alto clef, it's on a space, and for our bass clef, it's on a line. Okay, so for everyone, it is a certain note. Anybody have any guesses what that note is?
F.
It is F. And this is an F that most of us have not gone over in class yet. Or if you play another instrument, maybe you have gone over that. But we haven't gone over this F in class. So it is F sharp. And if you remember some of our other pieces, they put the sharp in front of the F instead of putting it in the key signature. Now, the other sharp is a little bit lower. And for the treble clef, it's on a space. For the alto clef, it's on a line. And for our bass and cello, it is on a space. So this one we should know. We just learned it last week. Anybody want to tell them?
C sharp.
C sharp. So it's going to tell you that this is C sharp. All right, so when we're playing music with two sharps, those are the notes that are going to be sharp. F sharp, C sharp. We've been going over in our open escalators the normal note name and then some notes that are sharp. And amongst those are C sharp and F sharp. So, shouldn't be surprising to us. Now, when we talk about scale, a scale is just playing every note that is in that key signature. And we usually start the scale on the note that it is named after, the key signature is named after. So this key signature is named after D. It's called D major. So we are going to start on note
D.
D. And for all of us, that is going to be our open string, our D string. So let's go ahead and get in playing position. And let's just get ourselves ready to do that. We're going to play it one time. Just play your D. Ready? Go. D. Now, if you go to the next measure, we're moving up to what?
E.
E. So go ahead and get ready. We're going to play E and say it together. Ready? Go. E. All right. Now we're moving up to what?
F sharp.
F sharp. Is it F?
No.
No, it's not F because we have that sharp in our key signature. Because it's written in the key signature, they don't have to write it every time you see F sharp in the music. You just know that every time you see a note on the spot where F should be, it's going to be F sharp. Okay, so get on to your F sharp. Here we go. Say it with me. Ready? F sharp. Next. G. Ready? G. Now we're going to A. Ready? A. Then we're going to B. Go. B. Then we're going to
C sharp.
C sharp. There's our other sharp. Okay, so get yourself on C sharp. Ready? Go. C sharp. Then finally D. We end on D. Ready? Go. D. Okay. Now we're going to go backwards. Ready? D again. D. If we go backwards, where are we going to?
C sharp.
C sharp. Go. C sharp. Back to
B.
B. That next is A. Next,
G.
G. Ready? Yeah, thank you. Let's do it again. G. G. Next, we go down to F sharp. Good job. Ready? Go. F sharp. Next, E. And finally, D. All right. So that is all we're doing on this excerpt. D major scale. They're just going to change up the rhythm for us. Okay? So, just go quarters to halves. Okay? Let's give this a go. Okay, we're going 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. All right, that's our rhythm. Let's see if we can pluck it together. Starting on D. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4. D, 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 E. F sharp, F sharp, F sharp, F sharp, G, G. A, B, B, C sharp, C sharp, C sharp, C sharp, D, 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 C sharp, C sharp, B, 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 A, G, F sharp, E, 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 E. Very good. You just did a D major scale. Let's do it with the music one time. And then we're going to move on to the next one. Here we go.
Number 53, D major scale.
Last
2, 3, 4. All right, let's move on to 54, country gardens. Now, country gardens, what do you notice?
We start on a D.
Yeah, we're starting on D, so we're using that D major scale that we just learned. We're using that same key signature, which means we have how many sharps in the key?
2.
2. All right, so our F sharps are going to be in there and our C sharps. So you're going to be playing the same key signature we just did. Okay, so whenever you see your F sharps, make sure you play them F sharps and not as F. And when you see your C sharps, same thing. All right, let's go ahead and clap this rhythm together.
Bass is also played low A and A on the G string in the same measure.
All right, so here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. 2, rest, rest. For our repeat, let's go over the notes. Ready? Here we go. First note.
D.
D. All right, here we go. Ready? Go.
D.
D.
C
sharp,
B,
B, A, G, F sharp, G, A,
D.
E, G, F sharp, E, D. All right, let's see if we can play it with the track.
Number 54, country gardens.
Start on that high D. Here we
Rest.
go.
2, 3, 4.
Repeat. Now, if that was a little challenging for you, slow it down and practice the notes on your own at a slower tempo, okay? Number 55, autumn breeze. Definitely not this time of year. We're starting to get into the summer and spring feeling, okay? I would like you to listen to the track one time and see if you can figure out what instruments are playing.
Number 55, autumn breeze.
Rest. 2, 3, 4.
Anybody have any ideas? What do you hear?
Cello.
Cello.
Flute.
And a flute.
Yep,
And a harp.
yep. Anybody hear anything else?
I heard the
Triangle.
Yeah, those percussion instruments. They had tambourine and castanets. Castanets are like little tiny cymbals you can put on your fingers. So, very good. All right. On number 55, we're still working on that same key signature, which has how many sharps? 2. All right. Now, as you can see, we are just going to step up. We're going to go with our notes, one right after another. So let's go ahead and say that together, shall we? So we're starting on what note?
A.
A. Here we go. Ready? Go. A, A, B, B, C sharp, C sharp, D, D, A, F sharp, D, 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 E, E, F sharp, G, D, F sharp, A, D, A, F sharp, D. Very good. All right. Shall we try it? Plucking it? Let's try it together without the music. This little bit slower tempo. Okay? Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4. A, B, B, C sharp, C sharp, D, D, A, F sharp, D, D, E, E, F sharp, G, D, F sharp, A, B, A, F sharp, D. Let's try with the track.
Number 55, Autumn Breeze.
Rest. 2, 3, 4.
C sharp, E, E, A, F sharp, D, E, F sharp, G, D, F sharp, A, D, F sharp, D. Nice job. All right, number 56, bamboo flute. What we're going to do is look, we're doing a little compare and contrast for this one. So look at measures 1 through 4 and look at measures 5 through 8. See if you see any similarities, differences. Any thoughts?
What were we looking at? It was the same.
The rhythms are the same, but the notes are different in 3 and 4 and 7 and 8.
Very good. Yeah, we have some similar rhythms, but notes are different. So let's go ahead and clap 1 through 4. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Guess what? We don't need to do the rest because it's just going to repeat that. We know that it's going to repeat that, so we know the rhythm. And that's a helpful thing for us when we're learning music, because if you know that that part goes in that rhythm, then you can do the other part and not have to work quite as hard. And you can think about more what notes you're playing. So this time, let's go ahead and look at what notes we're playing. So we're starting on A. Let's get up and let's finger it as we say it. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4. A, D, B, A, F sharp, B, D, F sharp, A, B, 2, 3, 4. A, D, B, A, F sharp, A, E, F sharp, E, D. Very good. If you weren't able to keep up, go over it a few more times, because in the music, if you're struggling to keep up with being able to say it, you're going to struggle to keep up playing it. So we want to make sure you can do that, both of those things. Let's go ahead and try it with the track.
Number 56, Bamboo Flute.
Ready?
Rest. 2, 3, 4.
notes on that one. Make sure that you practice it every day and get used to being able to read the notes, jumping all over the staff like that. Now, number 57, we are not going to do it with you, but it is your chance to see how well you've learned the D major scale. So, at the end of this week, on the last day, I'd like you to fill in with the notes what the D major scale would be. And if you need help, where can you look? Number 53. Number 53 was that D major scale. So you can look at it and it will help you. Just make sure that you're only writing quarter notes, because otherwise you'll put too many notes in a measure. We can't have more than how many beats in a measure in common time? 4. Okay? After you write them in, go ahead and try playing it along with the track. Okay, we're going to move on to our bow exercises and bow practice. So if you want to change to number 70, that's the number we're going to start on for string basics. All right, but you can go ahead and put your instrument down in your case or a safe spot. Remember, the floor is not a safe spot unless you're a cello or bass. Okay, then you can lay it on its side. You're going to need your bow first and your rosin. So go ahead and get those out. If you need to pause us, you can. Now, let's go over that bow hold one more time. We're going to go a little faster this time since we went over it last time. So, violins and violas. You want to make sure that you're on the tip of your thumb and the tip of your pinky. Okay? So, on the edge of the metal, and then your other fingers are just laying down. Okay? Cellos and bass.
Similar thing, your bent thumb touching the side of the metal, big knuckle on top, and let your ring finger and pinky come around on the frog so it catches it.
Kind of looks like you're grabbing it before it falls to the ground.
Yeah.
A little bit. All right, let's go ahead and do a couple of bow exercises. We're just going to review those. You should be still doing these every day. So let's start with our windshield wipers. Okay, you should be getting pretty good at these at this point. All right, let's do our up and downs. Try and go as straight as possible, which means you have to move your bow using your wrist and your arm. Your wrist has to move. You can't have a stiff arm. It's not going to ever work. Okay, it's going to wear you out for sure. All right, let's go our side to side. Remember, basses and cellos, if you need to, you can use your hand here. Violins, I think you're okay. And violas, your bow's not too heavy. All right, let's do our circles. So you're going to go clockwise first. Okay, let's do clockwise. All right, now let's do a counterclockwise. This time, I want you to go one time, another time. We're going to always end at the bottom. Bottom, 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 bottom. All right, and then you can do a creative, artistic shape, whatever feels good to you. I think I'm going to draw a person this time. All right. Okay, once you've done your bow exercises, you are going to be ready to do our rosin practice. So we're on number 70. This one's called slow, fast bow speed. Now, we are adding in some notes types. What note type are we adding in this time? Half note. And we also have the quarter. Yeah, we have both. So we've done both, but we haven't done them together. Now we're going to put them together. Remember, half notes we call a long bow because you're pulling your bow for a longer period of time. And then quarter notes, we call a short bow. So you're going to not go quite as far, all right? So I'd like to have us first speak number 70, saying our down, up, while we use our rosin. But then we're going to try another thing that we can speak in. So remember, we want to start in that bottom middle half of our bow when we're starting on a down bow. So, are you ready? 1, 2, 3, 4. Down, up, 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 down, up. And then you would repeat it. This is going to be our repeat. For a repeat, I would like you to say long, short. So long on our half notes, short on our quarter notes. Because that's going to remind your bow that I'm going to go long, long bow, short bow. Short, long, short, short. Okay? So let's try that. Now remember, we do what on the half notes?
Long.
Long, and for the quarter notes? Short.
Keep your bow moving the whole time.
Yeah, keep your bow moving. Definitely. There we go. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4. Long, 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 long. Short, 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 short. Long, 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 long. Short, 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 short. So you should be seeing that if you're pulling your bow the same amount down as you are going up, that you will end up in the same spot for your bow each time. Let's go ahead and do this one with the music, because I just really want to hear what they have to say about this.
Number 70. Slow, fast bow speed. Remember that on rosin bowing exercises like this one, you'll hear a student count beneath the music on the first mix, and on the second mix you'll hear the accompaniment only. Be sure to count as you bow.
Rest, 2, 3, 4. Down, 2, up, 4. Down, 2, up, 4. Down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up. Down, 2, up, 4. Down, 2, up, 4. Down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up. Down, 2, up, 4. Down, 2, up, 4. Down, short, 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 short. Down, 2, up, 4. Down, 2, up, 4. Short, 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 short.
They really like those techno, don't they, with the bowing, huh? Now, what happens if you're finding you're running out of bow before we get to the end of the note?
Pick it up.
No. What does that mean?
You're going to.
It means you're going too fast. Yeah, we gotta slow our bow down, okay? That is something that you have a lot of control over. You can either pull a little slower or you can go faster. So you have to be aware of that when we're practicing this. Let's go ahead and do our lift and set on number 71. Now, this is very similar to what we just did on our bow exercises. When I had you do your circles, and you started at the bottom, and you went around and stopped. So you're going to do that same motion but you're gonna do it on your rosin, okay? So we're gonna start in the lower middle part of our bow, and you're going to do a half note, so a long bow, 1, 2, and you're going to lift your bow and come back down by the frog in that lower middle part. Okay, let's try it again. Ready? Go. 1, 2, lift, reset. Try it again. Ready? Go. 1, 2, lift, set. All right, so when they say lift, that's when we're lifting our bow straight off of the rosin and we're setting it right back there in the middle bottom of our bow. Okay, so we're going to do how many long bows or half notes?
6.
Before the lift.
3.
3.
It's 6 altogether.
It is 6 altogether. You're just ready to go, huh? I bet all of our friends are too. So let's do this together. Ready? Here's 71. Ready? 1. Oh, good posture, please. Thank you. I know, we're all getting tired. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4. Down, up, down, lift, set. Down, up, down, lift, set. Repeat. Down, up, down, lift, set. Down, up, down, lift, set. Why would we lift, set if we're done?
Because of the repeat.
Well, but we already did the repeat. This is just in case, you know, in a song you have to be ready for the next part. You just want to always be ready. Always at the ready. All right, let's try 71 with the music because this is just too much.
Number 71. Lift and set.
Rest, 2, 3, 4. Down, 2, up, 4. Down, 2, rest, rest. Down, 2, up, 4. Down, 2, lift, rest. Down, 2, up, 4. Down, 2, lift, rest. Down, 2, up, 4. Down, 2, lift, rest.
Very good. All right. They are being super generous and giving you a whole half rest to get that lift and set. Eventually, we're going to be having to do that a little faster, but this gives you some time to learn how to do it. All right, 72. Change is good. All right, we're going to change up our notes. We're going to be doing our long, short, short, long, short, short together. So let's go ahead and speak it together. But on the first repeat, we're going to do the down, up, down. The second repeat, we're going to do long, short, short, long. Okay? Excuse me. Ready? 1. Oh, you're not ready. I know, we're getting tired. You're getting tired. Pause if you need to. 1, 2, 3, 4. Down, 2, up, down, up, 2, down, up, down, 2, up, down, down, up, 2, down, up, down, up, down, 4, up, down, up, 4, down, 2, up, 2, 4, down, 2, up, 4, long, short, short, long, short, short, long, short, short, long, short, 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 long, short, short, long, 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 long. Very good. Let's do it with the music. We're almost there.
Number 72.
Almost
Change
there.
is good.
Here we go.
Rest, 2, 3, 4. Down, 2, up, down, up, 2, down,
let's go ahead and get our instruments so we can do the next one. If you need to, pause, take a minute, take a breather. I know this can get a little bit hard and tiring, but we got this. We have got this.
Can I pause?
Yes, of course. Get your rosin there. All right, what are we on, 74?
Yeah.
Okay. 73. All right, turn the page. 73, Arco Avenue. All right, we are going to be on what note?
D.
D. Now we're going to take those same bow strokes that we just practiced on a rosin, and we're going to move them to the staff. So I'd like for us to speak it together once before we do it on our instrument. So let's do it with down, ups. Ready? On the second repeat, we're going to do long, short. 1, 2, 3, 4. Down,
2,
up, 4. Down, 2, up, 4. Down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, 2, up, 4. Down, 2, up, 4. Down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up. Long, 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 long. Short, 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 short. Long, 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 long. Short, 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 short. Very good. All right, let's try it with the music. We're just going to be on that D string, practicing the same thing.
Number 73, Arco Avenue.
Ready?
Rest, 2, 3, 4.
Shorts. You need to be somewhere close to the middle of your bow for those shorts. Not always going to stay right in the middle, but that's okay. Number 74. What does it say? Oh, it's our lift. Let's go ahead and practice our lift on our instrument. So the challenging thing about a lift is not only getting off the string, but it's getting back on the string and trying to make no sound at all. So you're gonna lift and come back down. So everybody start middle top of their bow. We're gonna lift, set. See if you can do it without making very much sound. Ready? Lift, set. Go back, lift, set. All right, that's what we're doing every time, okay? All right, so number 74. We're going to be doing that lift, set. And with lift and set, we have to make sure that we're going to not only come off of the string and not make too much sound, but we also get back on the string without making much sound. So can everybody do that with me a couple times? So start at the top, middle top, and we're going to lift and set. See if you can do it without making sound. Go back, lift, and set. Good. One more time. Lift and set. All right. Now the other change that they're doing in this one is we're not staying on the same note the whole time, are we? No. No. So we're going to be doing D, and then we're moving to A. So make sure you see that change. Let's go ahead and speak it with our down up, and then we will do our short long, which is going to be just long. So it should make things a lot easier, but we're going to say lift, set in there for the rest. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4. Down,
2,
up, 4. Down, 2, lift, set. Down, 2, up, 4. Down, 2, lift, set. Down, 2, up, 4. Down, 2, lift, set. Down, 2, up, 4. Down, 2, lift, set. Long, 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 lift, set. All right, let's see if you can do it with us and the music.
Number 74, Bow Lift
Starting on D
Boulevard.
string.
Rest. 2, 3, 4.
Lift, set. Lift, set. Lift, set. Lift, set. Lift, set. Lift on the A. Lift, set. Lift, set. Nice job. Did you catch the D and A switches?
Yes.
I hope so. They kind of threw me off at the first. So, number 75 is our last one for today. Number 75 is a combo causeway. Anybody notice 73, 74, and 75 have some similar titles? Any ideas what makes them similar? We got a causeway, a boulevard, and an avenue.
They're all streets.
They're all types of streets. If you've never heard of those, talk to your parents or somebody a little older. Maybe they'll show you some of those. Or you can go on a scavenger hunt around town and try and find some avenues and some boulevards and causeways. Although I don't know in our town if we have any boulevards or causeways, but you could definitely look on Google Maps at like LA or something. All right, combo causeway. We're going to be mixing up those half notes and quarter notes like we did in number 72. And we're also going to be switching from D to A. All right, so let's go ahead and speak this one together again. We'll go ahead and practice our air bows. Okay, so here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Down, 2, up, down, up, 2,
Down, up,
down, 2, up, down, up, 2, down, up, down, up, down, 4, up, down, up, 4, down, 2, up, 4, down, 2, up, 4. Long, short, short, long, short, short, long, short, short, long, short, 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 long, short, short, long, 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 long. Alright, so that's the same pattern we did before. Now we're just going to add some notes into it. So, you ready to try it with the music with us? Don't forget to switch from D to A. Watch that music.
Number
Get
75.
on that D string.
Combo Causeway.
Last, 2, 3, 4.
Remember, if you are feeling ambitious and want to do some more practicing, you're welcome to do our difficult bowings. Let's just go over it one more time, shall we? Let's do pepperoni pizza all together on the D string. Ready? 1, 2, ready, pepperoni pizza. All right, ice cream O, ready, go. All right, and run, pony, run, pony. I am happy, ready, go. Nice job. All right, it's been a pleasure working with you today. Hope you guys have some fun. Remember to practice and record on your sheets, and hopefully we will be ready for when we start up at the end of March. Remember, if you are able to finish lesson 1 and lesson 2 and do those 2 weeks of practice, try the bonus week where you're going to work on reviewing and you can work on some more of the challenge stuff. See you guys.